So in this session, we'll be dealing with the numbers, right? So numbers is quite often used in programming languages for like giving a score. So you have your cricket score, adding the cricket scores or averaging the cricket scores. It's not limited to the data or the stock prices, right? So in this, it's like the Python will act same as like calculator. We directly put the values and do the calculation over here. So right, so in this case you can do the subtraction, you can do the multiplication, you can do the division, where the Python where we do with the integers, right? So here we deal with the integers. Suppose I say 3 plus 4, okay, and I put shift plus enter, it directly access, right? 3 plus 4 is 7. Suppose these are like integers, right? This addition. Then suppose you can do the subtraction also. Suppose I say 7 minus 1, and I do shift plus enter, it will give you 6. It acts as a calculator, right? Similar way you can do the multiplication operation also. So if I say put 4 into say 3, shift plus enter, it gives you 12, right? Similar way you can do the division. Suppose it say 4 divided by 5 and shift enter, it gives you the output as 0.8. So this can be done has the integers that you can work with in the Python, right? A similar way you can work for the power operators, right? Suppose I say that the Python should do the square. Suppose I require the 4 square to be done. Suppose in this case I put 4 and I put 2 stars over here, right? I put here say 2 over here, so it comes at 4 square. So shift enter, you find 4 square is 16, right? So it's for doing the square part over here. Similar way, if I it can go for the large number also. So if I put the 12 square and you can just execute it, you find 12 square is 144. So now Python will be supporting the order of operations too, right? So as per the expressions involved, you have the remembrance of the board mass, right? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The same pattern of the operators will be given preference depending upon the requirement. Suppose I say that you need an output. Say suppose I say 2 plus 3 into 4, right? So what is the output we're going to do? What output will come? So shift enter. So in this case you're getting an output of 14, right? In this case what is happening? First preference is given to the multiplication, which is 3 into 4, which is 12. Then 12 plus 2 is 14. So in similar way, if I put the bracket, right, that we put in board mass, suppose I put this same thing in a bracket, say bracket 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3 into 4 into 4. So what will happen? Let's see, shift plus enter, you find the output which is coming to is 20. How? So first the bracket, within the bracket, first these two values will be added, that is 2 plus 3 is 5, and this will be multiplied into 4, which we call it as 5 into 4 is 20. So these are the numbers where we can work with the numbers within the Python. So these are the integer values that you can work.